Yo, welcome back. And we got another puzzle video for you today. This is actually the second time I'm recording this intro. As you'll come to see, I didn't plan ahead well enough, ran into some storage issues and battery issues while recording, and in an effort to try to get the recording done, I accidentally deleted the first intro. So, have fun with that. Really cool puzzle coming up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get back into it. And here we go. Boom. That is our puzzle box. Look at that bad boy. Isn't that a pretty nice piece of craftsmanship there? It just came like this, wrapped in plastic. We've got these two keys here. We will investigate these in a little bit. This is the puzzle box number 4. I think he's got a few puzzle boxes. Obviously, they go with numbers. This is the Siebenstein Spieler. Not quite sure how to pronounce that. Siebenstein Spieler puzzle box number 4. So I did buy this brand new. A little disappointed. You can see there's a crack at the bottom there. I've noticed a couple other ones. There's a crack at the bottom here and a crack at the bottom here as well. I don't think that is part of the puzzle, so I might have to contact the seller and maybe try to get some money back. I'm 90% sure that's not part of the solution. It does look like natural wood breaks. It does not look like a clever little clean line that these pieces are actually supposed to move, but we'll see and try to keep those intact, and hopefully that doesn't affect the integrity of the mechanics of the puzzle. All right, so it is in the AM, so we got our coffee here. So one last sip of coffee, and let's get started. 2 keys attached to a rope. This says 041 or 41 on it. This is a 42. 42, very interesting shaped keys. I am sure they will come into play eventually. There's obviously nowhere to put them now. Let's see here. Other than dealing with these, what are probably unintentional breaks at the bottom. Let me see here. This seems like one piece that does not spin, but this would move. So somehow we'll get that out. The 4 side panels are all like panels, so like that actually seems pretty firm. This one's got a little bit of wiggle room to it. Back here. Top, this is pretty nice. Again, this is just really cool wood design. Oh, this spins. Oh. So if I spin it to the left, it like moves up. Okay. Hello? Boom. Sweet. Okay. That's pretty cool. Nice. Cool, so let's keep that. All right, now what we got here. Looks like a potential keyhole. Do any of these pieces move now? Okay, so there is something in there. I'm going to try to see if we can get the camera to see this here. There is something in there that maybe we can grab. Do one of these keys look like they would grab something in here? No. Yeah, it kind of looks like just a loop. If you can see that right there. There's something that loops down that probably connects to this thing. Right here, yeah. Okay. Anything else here now? Not extra. So I thought maybe if I could put this in and like, so if the hook is like, try to make the hook, there's like that circle hook, if I can get this to grab around it and then I can twist it, maybe like that would turn this from the inside. But it doesn't look like this is long enough to actually get down to where that hook is. Well, it sure seems like it should be, because this keyhole, or this key, also has a tiny little hole there. Not sure what that's for, if that does anything, but who knows. Huh. Interesting. I'm not sure yet. Ah, okay. So I think I see now where this is actually supposed to go. Is it does look like the panel right here is eventually going to be able to slide out from underneath. So I definitely don't think these are supposed to be broken. If I'm going to be honest with you, definitely don't think those are supposed to be broken. So I think eventually this should be able to slide right out there, and that would be how we get to open the box. Oh, hold on. That. Okay, so I heard that's not. So this thing is definitely magnetic, okay? That hook that's in there is definitely magnetic. That's attached to this piece right here, right? And so my guess is, gosh, this is really disappointing, all these cracks. My guess is that I gotta get that magnet off so that I can slide, which side is it here? This side here. That magnet needs to be off so that I can slide this piece out on the bottom here. But that is keeping it from moving, right? So this was at least lifting the magnet partially. It was probably forcing it in there. So I don't know, maybe I'll just kind of keep trying that again. Which direction does it need to move? It needs to go up right here. Okay, so that's the direction I want to be pulling on the bottom, if that's at all possible. Ah, see, there's that snapping sound again. Damn. Oops, okay, I lost the camera there for a second. It looks like the battery's getting low. And I'm actually running out of storage. I've only got about 5 more minutes of video left before I can, I have to change that. So let's see what we can do. If I have to stop and do that again, we'll do that. But we're just making progress here. We're figuring out that this this hoop here is definitely like a magnetic plug or something, and we need to get that off, I think. in order to move this piece through is our best guess so far. So let's go ahead and keep at that. So we were able to kind of grab and move this just at least a little bit with this tool. Let's go ahead and try to do that again. Ugh. Jeez. You've actually got to be kidding me, man. You've actually got to be kidding me. This won't go. I don't understand the 2 key thing here. I have to be missing something with the keys, right? You don't use the keys, you use the rope. You use the rope? You use the rope. Aha! Little gravity to help me here. Wrap it around this hook. Keys are a bait. I can see I've got about 1 minute of video left here too. Where can I get this in? Okay, so I'm gonna get as much rope as I can here. See if I can't get it to hook. Ah, we're so close. I'm gonna run out of battery though. Oh no. Here we go. Aha! Ah! Gosh. We got it just at the end there. Really unfortunate that that the camera ended up stopping right at the end. You saw that it got open about this far, and that's actually as far as it opens. I want to show you here the puzzle. So we had it. This is actually as far as it goes. Not great lighting, but there is another panel right there that stops as well. So this is, well, obviously, and then this right here, this doesn't move any further than that. As this piece hits the bridge there, assuming that this is not busted. So that was pretty cool. I'm pretty satisfied with that. That was a very clever solution. So what we had to do there, if you didn't catch it at the end, is this piece is this is a very strong magnetic. This is the hook that was in the bottom. What we had to do is we had to use this to grab it, and then we could slide it. And that magnet was keeping this thing from sliding back and forth. Very clever solution. I'm pretty happy with it. I like the keys as the red herring. Very clever. That's very fun, you know. Very cool. A lot different than the last puzzle box, obviously. But I like the clever idea of it, that it looks like you need to use the keys, but it's actually the rope. Took us about an hour, which is maybe longer than it needed to be, but it was really fun, and I like the thinking outside the box solution, you know, if you will. So that was pretty cool. So I'm excited to put this back together. That was the Siebenstein Spieler puzzle box 4. So there's obviously 3 ones before this, and I think I saw there's like maybe 5 or 6 of these or more now. So definitely interested in buying some more of the puzzles that he's made. and we'll go from there. So that'll do it for us here on this puzzle, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Peace.